Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy crypto on Binance with USDT. Alright guys, so welcome to the video. How can you buy crypto on Binance using USDT? Your first step would be to make sure you have an account on Binance. If you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account using our link. All right, you're on Binance. How can you buy crypto with USDT? Make sure you have some USDT on your wallet. If you do not, on the home screen, click on Add Funds, select Deposit Crypto, or you could buy crypto using the P2P option or your bank transfer. So if you click on Deposit Crypto, select USDT. All you need to do now is locate the network you hold your USDT outside of Binance on and deposit on Binance. And once you've copied the wallet address, you can then deposit your USDT. All right, now your next step to buying crypto on Binance with USDT is there are two ways to go about it. You can either buy via the spot trading option or the convert feature. The convert feature is really easy. It's on the home screen. Click on the convert and it says from USDT to NXPC. In place of NXPC, let's go with something simple like the BONK token. Now for $1 worth of USDT, you're getting 45,000 BONK. So all you need to do now is click on preview, click on confirm, and boom, you successfully bought the BONK token using the convert feature. Now you can also buy the BONK token using the spot feature. All you need to do is the trade icon at the bottom of your screen, just beside the market tab, click on trade, and where it says convert, click on spots, and it says ADA/USDT. Click on the ADA USDT drop down and simply search for a token you'd like to buy via the spot trading feature. You could select BNB, click on BNB USDT, and where it says buy, and then you're shown limit. So in place of limit, select market, because this helps us buy at the price of the market, which is 651.37. So now all you need to do now is enter an amount of USDT you'd like to buy your BNB for, and then simply click on buy BNB. And you would have successfully bought your BNB using the amount of USDT you've entered. And if you head to the wallets section at the bottom right, perform a simple reload. Boom, you'd find your tokens here. So guys, comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.